Hello, this is Phil Thomas from New Era Systems. I've got an interesting project today. It's going to be a little bit of surgery. Each one of these baseball switches, waveguide switches, are different. They're all KU band. This one has SMA connectors, waveguide flange, and it has a 10-pin connector. This one also waveguide, no SMA connectors, and this is a 6-pin. Here's another 6-pin waveguide with SMA. The problem that we had a couple of days ago, the customer wanted 10-pin in this format. Well, we just didn't have it. When I spoke to one of our engineers, he said, well, of course you do. All you have to do is take the top off this, put it onto this, and then you have exactly what the customer needs. It's that easy. The only other point to bear in mind is that the voltage on each one of these is plus 28 volts. So anyway, this is what we're going to do today. We're going to take two apart and put them back together in a different configuration. So we've narrowed it down to just these two, and we're going to put this 10-pin in place of this 6-pin, but in this format without the SMA connector. So let's get to it. The first thing that I have to be careful of is that both of these are set up in the same way, and I want to make sure that the 1 to 2 is the choice. So I twist this and there it is, 1 for 2 on there. And now I want to make sure on this we're going 1 for 2. It's not, so I turn it and now that's 1 for 2. So now when I take the top off, slip one off that and put it onto there, I shouldn't disturb anything down here and it should go back and work just perfectly. Now I need to get a screwdriver. Now I'm going to take the top off both of these, starting with these Phillips head screws. And they're pretty tight. That one wasn't. Okay, that's one apart. And I'm going to do the same on this one. Okay, carefully taking it apart so that I don't change the setting of the base. Now, it's a simple task of changing that for that. Fortunately, the screws fit on each one. Final tightening. Okay, and now we're ready to test it. Switch is satisfactorily. The new configuration is the 10-pin, and confirming that it is 28 volts DC. So now I just have to put the original one back together, and we have done everything that we need to do today.